Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. This is the graph and this graph shows a linear relationship between x and y, which equation represents this relationship where r is a positive constant. This is a number which is positive. Okay. So you know that y equals to mx plus b. This is a slope-intercept form of any straight line. And m is the slope. And b is y-coordinate of y-intercept. Now, first of all, we need to find m. m equals to delta y over delta x. Delta y means the difference of y's, yb minus ya, and delta x is difference of x's, xb and x minus xa. So we need to find 2 points, a and b. This point is a safe and good point. You can call this a, and the coordinates of a is 2 and 0. Another point is here, call this b, and the coordinates of b is 0 and 6. So you just need to substitute the value of coordinates in this formula. For b, 6 minus 0, and for x's, 2, 0 minus 2, 6 over negative 2 is negative 3, the slope of this line. Now we need to find y-coordinate of y-intercept, which is b. When you want to find b, you should find the point that the line intersects y-axis, which is here, this point. So the y-coordinate of this point is b. So b is 6. And now, when we have m and b, we can write the equation of this line. Y equals to, instead of m, we have negative 3 times x, and instead of b, we have positive 6. This is the linear relationship between x and y. But we should try to convert this form of equation to equations like this. You can see that x and y are in the left hand side of the equation, so it's better to add positive 3x to both sides of the equation. Y plus 3x equals to 6. And another thing is that the right hand side is numbers like 36 or negative 36. So it's better to multiply all terms of this expression, this equation, by number like positive 6 or negative 6. And it can gives you 6y plus 18x equals to 36. So far so good. So we have 6y plus 18x equals 36. We should find which of these choices is matched with this equation. We have positive 36, this one and this one and this one. We have 18x, which is here. This is 18y, and ry is 6y, which means that 6y is ry, so r is 6, which is a positive number, which is mentioned in the question. R should be a positive constant, so choice C is the final answer. See you in next video. Bye bye.